the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just. You melt the ice behind my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth. I do think this is another episode of Vlogmas. I'm not too sure, we'll see. So today's a Saturday. I actually started this vlog last night, but I didn't have time to do a proper intro. So we had a church function, a year-end function for people who serve at church. So our pastors just do that on a yearly basis, which is really nice, just to appreciate and just for people to relax and have fun, you know. So yeah, last year I couldn't go because we had a breakdown literally on our way there. So yeah, ended up not going because it took so long to fix, or to find a solution, rather, yeah, I'm just trying to do my hair now because I am rushing and I can't find my edge brush. You know what, it's okay like that. So yeah, we had so much fun. We played so many nice games, but then I actually did TikTok challenges. I mean, I can't dance. I cannot dance to save my life. Honestly, I was not going to embarrass myself in front of the church like that. So yeah, I spared myself the embarrassment and let people who know how to dance to do their thing. So yeah, but from now on, I'm gonna start practicing TikTok challenges. So next year, if there are some TikTok challenges, I'm gonna be on stage, okay? Mark my words. Yeah. Anyways, what else did I want to say? It was really nice, guys. The food was good. Everything was nice, okay? The ambience, everything was really nice. A good way to start the festive season. Guys, I missed Black Friday for the first time in my life, and I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I didn't die, but I don't think I'm happy about that. Okay, I'm used to going shopping on Black Friday, but yeah, this year was just different for me all around. Okay, anyways, so yeah, enough about that. Today is a Saturday. My family and I are going to a family fun day. So yeah, it started at 9. Right now it's like 9:20. You just don't want to be early for anything in this country. But yeah, I think this is the perfect time to go. I'm wearing my brown bodysuit. I'm wearing a ripped jean. I'm gonna wear my shoes and then carry this brown bag. Yeah, I think rose gold jewelry, everything makes sense. I think I look okay. I look like a mom. I look okay. So yeah, let's go and have fun. The kids were supposed to swim, but it looks like it's gonna be cold-ish throughout the day. So I'm gonna get a shirt just to put on in case I'm cold. And then yeah, let's go. Let's go, guys. I'll show you guys my outfit once I'm out. Let's go.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain. The sorrows in your brain. My stone cold eyes, I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in the web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you.
To your flavor.
Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the
Let's see yours. And then let's see yours. Yes.
You're the spark to blame, and it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame, and it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. You're the spark to blame, and it's fire, burning holes
guys, we are back home. I'm so exhausted. You know, kids are tiring. Kids are so exhausting. But yeah, I spent the whole day running up and down, literally. Going to that jumping castle, going to buy slush puppies, going to buy burgers, going to do that, going swimming, going there. Like, I am so exhausted. We got home like 30 minutes back. Yeah, it's like 2:04 right now. Yeah, just after 3:30. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take a nap because I am going to church tomorrow. I'm going very early because I'm serving. Yeah, I just thought, let me update this vlog. Let me not leave you guys hanging and then you just see me tomorrow like what's going on. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to church, and then I have a client right after church. From there I'm gonna go to my friend's house. She purchased a new baby. She purchased TV Black Friday. So yeah, we are going to watch, you know, something on the new TV. So she just said I should come over. Yeah, I'm so proud of her, by the way. But yeah, I wanted to say I met a subscriber. It makes me so happy to meet subscribers, but I'm so shy, guys. Like, I'm a very shy person, honestly. I am so shy. Like, as much as I want to meet you guys, I'm always so out of words when I meet subscribers. Like, literally somebody will say hi and then I'm like, oh, hi. The minute they say I watch your channel, I'm like, what do I do now? So yeah, I always want to run when I meet my subscribers. But honestly, I think I try. No, I am a nice person, but I hope that's how, like, the subscribers I meet feel, you know. Maybe I'm not welcoming, I don't know. I hope not. I really hope not, because I'm a nice person. So yeah, I met a subscriber. She came along with her friends and she was like, oh, hi Ruth. I'm like, hi. She's like, oh, what's your channel? I'm like, oh no. It was such an awkward moment for me, especially with like my parents around. I was like, yeah. But yeah, I really love meeting you guys. I really do. Trust me, I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing the feedback, you know, just the fact that people watch my channel like that and I can meet them like around, you know, town or wherever I am. It makes me so happy, and I really do hope that I'll meet more of my subscribers. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. I forgot her name, by the way. I was gonna give her a shout out, but I honestly forgot her name. What I know is that she has a beautiful name and she's so beautiful. But yeah, if you're watching this, hi. It was nice meeting you. Okay, bye guys. I need to take a nap. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. So I know I said that Melinda and I were gonna go to her house on Sunday, but after church I met this girl and she told me we should go to, what you call that place? Lina. We should go to the place in Pakalane. But you know what? One thing about me, I don't like being in places that I know that are crowded. So I know the place is quite packed. Cabo Sunday especially. I mean every day, but Cabo Sunday because they have like I think a briar platter or something like that. And honestly, that's not my vibe. Like, that's not me. And going out on a Sunday and then probably getting home about 10 p.m. is not me, my vibe. You get it? So I just had to bail out on her because her other friends were taking along. So I just had to bail out on her and tell her, girl, peace out. So mama Tamaduma, have fun. I can't. So yeah, I didn't go to Melinda's house, as I said. But yeah, I did my nails. I only did one hand, child, because doing the other hand is difficult. I've run out of my white gel, so I need to go restock. And then one of my clients sent me, she went to Besco Hyper. There's a new shop in Upper Junction called Besco Hyper. So she said she went there and they have so many vibrant colors. So I'm gonna go there. Obviously gonna pick up some colors, but the one I'm going for is the white gel. I'm obsessed with the one here, signature cosmetics, if that's what you call it. I really love it. It's so pigmented. I really love it, but I'm willing to try like other brands. I know Bling Girl, the round bottle, I really love it. Get that lip once when I get there. So yeah, I'm just gonna check, probably take a video of the gels I have here so that I don't, you know, duplicate them, because there's some colors that a lot of people really use them. I don't mind having like 2, but there's most colors people just don't use them like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I am gonna do that. But before I go to Besco Hyper, I'm gonna pass by Mamzi's house. I need to do my laundry, bedding, etc. So I'm just gonna put the first load of like white clothes in the machine, because it takes like an hour to wash, and then I go to Besco Hyper. When I come back, I'll do the rest of the laundry, probably watch a movie, just relax. And then when I get back home, I need to do my other hand, Yadinala, because later on I need to go to Riley's school. There is something going there, I think something Christmas production yana, something, you know. So yeah, I have to be there. Honestly, I just can't miss it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my edges and then we step out. I'm obviously on. Guys, I forgot my bunny was Wednesday. Yes, that was a Wednesday, and we had our last home sale of the year. And as per usual, we meet up, we do something nice. So because we really didn't plan ahead for it, we wanted to have like a picnic. I was gonna host them at home. I was trying to work on the garden, but since I've been traveling a lot, you know, up and down my halape, like a garden. So we're gonna have a cute picnic. And honestly, it was just too last minute to look for an alternative venue. This and that. So we just settled for Nando's. We went there, Mabani. I'm just gonna insert a few clips after this, and then after that we'll be heading to Mamzi's house for laundry and then Besco Hyper. But yeah, we really had fun. Just some time to catch up. You know, we just ate, you know, chilled a bit, catch up, and then we left. So yeah, I'm gonna insert those clips and then we're gonna go to Besco Hyper. Hey guys, I'm back. I went to Besco Hyper. Honestly, I took so long inside that shop, guys. It's massive. When I tell you that shop is massive, I mean exactly that. I think I might have spent about 2 hours in the shop, like close to 2 hours, if not 2 hours. Yeah, about 2 hours. But yeah, it's 1 o'clock now. I literally got here like 20 minutes ago, even 10. But yeah, I passed by KFC, got a bucket for one. I still didn't do my nails, and it doesn't look like I'm gonna do that today. I will definitely do my nails tomorrow. I cannot get into the weekend looking like this. So yeah, it does have really nice things. It does. I'll do a proper haul probably tomorrow once I am home and settled and all of that. But yeah, I managed to get, I think, pretty much everything I wanted to get. Nail stuff, they have so many nice things at Dinala, guys. Like literally, they have gel, bling gel mostly. I don't know the other brands, to be quite honest. I saw some art brushes, I think acrylic brushes, rhinestones, this and that, like so many things that I've seen on TikTok, like nail art and stuff. I saw them at that shop and I actually bought them. So yeah, I think my total was literally 620. Oh, and those straws, you remember the straws, the metallic ones? Yeah, they have them there for 25 bucks. Can you believe it? 25 pula. So yeah, I got a pack. I got the gold ones. I will go back another time to get the silver ones. It's a set of 4, but like I said, I'll just do a haul and show you guys. So for now, I'm just gonna eat. Whew, I am so exhausted. I'm gonna eat. I got a Coke as well, and then I'm gonna watch Sitati's vlog because I started it and Heyyy is probably gonna watch Sitati's vlog and then finish off Ntabising's vlog from last week. So yeah. Let's do that. I'm so mad that KFC stopped the bucket for one at the Zinga beans because I don't like nuggets. But it is what it is. For 30 bucks, I'll get it. Get that. So I'm done folding all of Riley and I's clothes, so I'm just gonna put them into the wardrobe right now. So these are her pants. So these are all her pants, shorts, etc. These are her tops. This is my serving shirt, and these are my cute little tops. These ones are more on the heavier side, like yeah, knitwear, shirts, whatever, long sleeve stuff basically. These are my dresses, these are my pants, and that's a pair of jeans. Riley's dresses, those are the socks. Didn't give her one. I don't understand. these are all our socks. I need to get her new socks for the new year because this is not it. And then those are the towels that I use mainly for my business. I'm a sucker for white towels, mainly for my nail business. So yeah, let's pack up and then I'm gonna take a bath and then I'm gonna wait for my client. So okay, I left this because I'm gonna wear it. I normally color coordinate my clothes, like my side of the wardrobe, this side, but honestly I'm way too lazy to do that now. So when I find the time I will. So right now I'm just gonna take a bath, do my skincare routine, and then I'll share with you guys the haul, and then I'll wait for my client. Hi guys, I'm done with my client. I managed to bath. So I'm just gonna do a Besco hyper haul. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So first of all is this nail drill. I was just starting to do my nails, so I figured some of the things I'm going to use are in this haul. So let me just show you guys before I open them and use them. So yeah, first of all is this drill.
What is this?
It's like the beads. You change them, just put them in here.
If you want it to be smaller or bigger.
Yeah, it depends what you want to do on the nails. They serve different purposes. So yeah, this is a battery one. I used to have one electric, but there was just a problem with it. So Heyyy lasted that much. So I thought maybe this one will last. I don't know. My t-shirt is creased. I did not iron it. I am sorry for that. So yeah, you just press there. It has these different beads. I believe this was 50 pula. So it's a bit really true. The normal battery size. I'll write the size down on the screen. I keep it again. What's the receipt? I'm looking for the receipt so that I confirm the prices. There we go. So the drill was what's a nail decorator?
It is so long.
I know.
How many did you buy over there?
So many things. But yeah, I think sorry guys, my phone cut us. I had ran out of memory, so I was just deleting a couple of videos. So yeah, it was 50 pula, 50. And then I got like I said, make a list one, a nail art brush set. I got this set. It was 35 pula. That's what they call it. But myself, I think these are acrylic brushes. To be quite honest, I want to learn how to do acrylic. That is like my 2023 goals. Part of my 2023 goals. I need to learn how to do acrylic. So I've heard because I'm a learner, let me just get these ones. I'll get like Kolinsky brushes once I know what I'm doing with acrylic. So I got this pressed bottle to pour acrylic inside here. Yeah, it makes life easy. I think this was 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
It was 20 pula, 19 pula, 99. I got some gel colors. I did show you guys. Remember the white one I said I was gonna go for? I got this orange color. I'm not even sure if I have something like this or something similar to this, but yeah, I got that. I got this brown color, one of my very first colors. Love it. My clients love it so much. And then yeah, then I also got the silver-ish one because for Christmas, I mean, people want to be sparkly, yeah. And then I also got some, these were 25 bucks each. The gels were 25 bucks each. I got this because I once saw a TikTok video. Motadi listed this lace on that client's nails. So I saw this. They also have a black one. This was probably like 20 bucks. I'm not too sure. And then I got this set of rhinestones and chains and yeah, all of that cute stuff. So yeah, like I said, it's Christmas. Plus sometimes I do have clients who want to do like really cool nails. So I'm gonna be shading in different colors, rhinestones, etc. This was I think 20 bucks as well. I also got these straws, whew, that I was telling you guys about. I got 3 packs, 2 for Adrizi. She wanted the gold and the silver, and then I just got the gold ones. For me, I doubt my partner is going to be interested in this, so I got only 1 pack, but I'm honestly gonna go back for the silver ones. Really love them. These were 25 pula each, like per set. So yeah. And then I also got this file thing that I'm honestly gonna use just for my catering business. Like I have to be very intentional so that once I have to file for returns, then you know it's easier for me to do that. So just gonna put my receipts in here, invoices, etc. So that yeah. So just to keep that. This was I think 25 bucks as well. I also got a face mask. Always China to be I keep China, guys. I don't know. The only thing I saw was hyaluronic acid, and I thought I might like this. I was a little bit skeptical. To get it. But then I convinced myself Koreans have the best skin ever, so I can never go wrong, which also justifies my next purchase, which is this. This is a serum. It's a serum, yeah, vitamin C, collagen. I asked the one of the store assistants to help me. Most people are buying this and people have good reviews, so I thought let me just go try it. I actually did apply it this morning, so I will give you guys a review after, let's give it a month or so. So what's going on. I also got the sunscreen. A lot of people buy it. So yeah, collagen, it's a sunscreen. I did try it. Let me just swatch it and show you guys. I had like a white cast on my hand, but after some time I got a but after a really long time. So I'm just gonna put that here. So I might just use this for my body and not my face. Oh, that's a lot. I took a lot. It's a really, but see what I mean. Karata sunscreen melt onto the skin. So maybe this one is tinted. Maybe this one is tinted. It doesn't smell good. Ew. But yeah, that's what it looks like. See the difference? Smells good to you. Oh, yeah. Interesting. So this is the difference you get. I'm sure you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that. But after some time, like I said, it melts into the skin base. Yeah. Right. Also got these. Really love them. Also saw some TikTok videos, but there's like a bow in here. Some rhinestones, etc. Like a white bows and then clear bows. That's so cute. I hope you guys can see that clearly. Oh my god. Yeah, I think you guys can see that. That's what I got. Really love them. They were 20 bucks as well, I think. Oh, that the face serum was 30 pula. The sunscreen was 30 pula or 25 pula as well. I'm not too sure. I got 35. Maximum 35. Also got Filaria TP for nails. I got these nail art brushes. Really love them. They were 12 bucks, as you guys can see. I know some Facebook people who sell these for so to get these for 12 bucks was like wow. I should have gotten 2 packs actually, now that I think about it, and that's what I'm gonna use for my art. I got this for 25 bucks. So what I want to do is write like 10 pula off, 30 pula off, free toenails, etc. for my clients this Christmas. So I'm just gonna put it there, so when a client comes, she's just gonna pick a paper and then whatever it is, that's gonna be her discount. So yeah, gonna do that. I got this because as per usual we are going to, I got this because we're gonna have our second annual Christmas lunch with the girls. We had that last year as a picnic. This year we're doing something different, but I'll tell you guys when the time comes. So yeah, I want to be accessorizing with this just to look a little bit Christmassy. And then I got these gloves. Advanced disposable gloves. Honestly, I got these for the kitchen, for my catering business. How to cater, I just to wear these when you serve people food. Got a nail file. Honestly, just a nail file. They got this, yeah, floss. The rest I'm not gonna show you guys. I got them for my partner. So I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Update on the sunscreen. Still looks the same to me. I saw a change, but you know what? I think it'll be fine for the body. Face, not so much. So yeah.
Tell the rest of the prizes.
Oh, I didn't. I'll write them down on the screen because I'm trying to save my memory so that I don't talk for long. Yeah, so that's all that I got from Besco Hyper. I hope so. So my total was like 620, but like I said, some things are for Adrizi, some things are for my partner, so it's not that bad if you think about it. And then I was gonna say, like, one mistake I made, but they have so many nice things, you guys. Like, you're like, oh, I've been wanting this. So when you get to the till, so yeah, it is a nice shop though. I will also give an update on this face mask. I believe it's a sheet mask. So I guess I will tell you guys how I feel about it. And then I probably will go back for more because I can mind it to just stock up on these. So yeah, let's go get my nails done. And then we'll talk later. I'm going to Melinda's house for the weekend actually. So yeah, we'll talk later.
Bye.
Bye.